So you want to do some future planning around inheritance tax, and you want to gift your shares of your limited company to your children. Well, can you do it? Yes, but what are the implications of doing that? Well, check out the video too, so I can give you all the gory details. Hi everyone, what is the best way to transfer shares to children in a newly incorporated property company to minimise inheritance tax? What is the yearly allowance? Now, that's an interesting one because anyone that's got a limited company, you will have shares. Now, the disposal of those shares or your gifting to family members will still be subject to capital gains tax. And as a basic rate taxpayer, you'll be paying 10%. As a high rate taxpayer, you'd be paying 20%, but you do get £12,300, which is capital gains tax exempt each year. So you could transfer £12,300 to loved ones without any CGT at all. Any comment beyond what I've just said there?
The one thing I would add is that you need to be careful that if you are either securing loans already in that company or about to, or could be doing so in the very short-term future, most commercial lenders really don't like children being shareholders in a business. They really don't like it, to the point where the moment you involve children in terms of owning shares, even if those shares give the children no voting rights at all, you may find some lenders step away from the table and won't work with you. And those lenders that will remain at the table might suddenly put their rates up. So you need to be very careful, and there's a balancing act here between mitigating and planning for inheritance tax minimisation and enabling you to get the loaned money you need to grow the business to make it worthwhile to minimise inheritance tax. So there's a real balancing act here. Some lenders will consider children being shareholders, but they may have a very stringent cap on the volume and value of shares those children can own. So before you make any steps to perhaps handing over or gifting shares to children or anybody else in your family or friends group that you wish to give shares to, just go check the implications of what it means to any loans you already have or any future loans you're thinking about getting.
Hopefully you found that video to be of some use, but don't stop there. There is plenty of content that I think you should be watching, and here is the video that you should watch right now.